Ramadan, a month of spiritual reflection and devotion for Muslims worldwide, brings a unique opportunity for physical and mental renewal through fasting. Beyond its religious significance, Ramadan fasting offers a myriad of health benefits, from improved metabolic function to enhanced brain health. As we delve into the scientific evidence and real-world examples, we'll uncover the profound impact of Ramadan fasting on overall well-being. This essay explores the multifaceted health benefits of Ramadan fasting, drawing upon scientific research and the experiences of individuals. We'll examine how this ancient practice can positively influence various bodily systems, contributing to disease prevention and a healthier life. Join us as we embark on a journey through the transformative health secrets of Ramadan fasting. Whether you observe Ramadan or are simply curious about the science behind fasting, this exploration will shed light on the remarkable ways it can benefit your health and well-being. Ramadan fasting, a form of intermittent fasting, can be a powerful tool for achieving metabolic balance and managing weight. This ancient practice, observed by millions around the world, involves abstaining from food and drink from dawn until sunset, which can have profound effects on the body. During the fasting hours, the body enters a state of ketosis, where it begins to burn stored fat for energy. This process not only helps in weight loss, but also enhances energy levels and mental clarity. This metabolic shift can lead to weight loss, particularly when combined with a balanced diet during non-fasting hours. Consuming nutrient-dense foods during suhoor and iftar is crucial to support this transformation. Studies have shown that Ramadan fasting can improve insulin sensitivity, a key factor in regulating blood sugar levels. Enhanced insulin sensitivity means the body can manage glucose more efficiently. By reducing insulin resistance, fasting helps the body utilize glucose more effectively, potentially lowering the risk of type 2 diabetes. This is particularly beneficial for those with prediabetes or metabolic syndrome. This improved blood sugar control not only benefits those at risk of diabetes, but also contributes to overall metabolic health. Regular physical activity during non-fasting hours can further enhance these benefits. Furthermore, the practice of mindful eating during Ramadan, with a focus on wholesome foods during suhoor and iftar, can promote sustainable weight management habits that extend beyond the month itself. This mindful approach to eating encourages a deeper connection with food and its nutritional value. The reduced eating window encourages portion control and can lead to long-term changes in eating patterns. By adopting these habits, individuals can maintain a healthier lifestyle throughout the year. Ramadan fasting has been linked to improvements in cardiovascular health, reducing risk factors associated with heart disease. Studies suggest that the practice can lower blood pressure, a major contributor to heart attacks and strokes. The exact mechanisms are still being studied, but it is thought that fasting may improve blood vessel function and reduce inflammation. Fasting during Ramadan has also been shown to positively impact lipid profiles, which are measurements of different types of fats in the blood. Research indicates that it can lower levels of LDL cholesterol, often referred to as bad cholesterol, and triglycerides, both of which are associated with an increased risk of heart disease. Moreover, Ramadan fasting may increase levels of HDL cholesterol, known as good cholesterol, which helps remove LDL cholesterol from the arteries. This improvement in the balance of cholesterol can significantly reduce the risk of plaque buildup in the arteries, a leading cause of heart disease. The digestive system works tirelessly throughout the day, breaking down food and absorbing nutrients. Ramadan fasting provides a much-needed respite for this essential system, allowing it to rest and rejuvenate. During the fasting hours, the digestive processes slow down, giving the body a chance to repair and restore itself. This temporary break from constant digestion can have a positive impact on gut health. Studies suggest that Ramadan fasting can promote the growth of beneficial gut bacteria, which play a crucial role in digestion, immunity, and overall health. A balanced gut microbiome is essential for proper nutrient absorption, immune function, and even mental well-being. Additionally, some individuals find that Ramadan fasting can alleviate digestive issues such as bloating, constipation, and heartburn. This relief may be attributed to the reduced workload on the digestive system and the shift towards a more mindful and balanced dietary intake during the non-fasting hours. Section 5. Fasting for a sharper mind, Ramadan's impact on brain health. Beyond its physical benefits, Ramadan fasting can have a profound impact on cognitive function and mental well-being. The practice of fasting during this holy month is not just about abstaining from food and drink, it also involves a spiritual journey that can lead to significant mental health benefits. Studies suggest that fasting can stimulate the production of brain-derived neurotrophic factor, or BDNF, a protein that supports the growth and survival of brain cells. This protein plays a crucial role in brain health and cognitive function. Increased BDNF levels are associated with improved memory, learning, and cognitive function. This means that fasting can potentially make your brain more efficient and effective in processing information. Moreover, fasting may enhance neuroplasticity, the brain's ability to form new neural connections, which is crucial for adapting to new situations and learning new skills. This adaptability is essential for personal growth and development. This enhanced neuroplasticity can have long-term benefits for cognitive health and may even play a role in reducing the risk of neurodegenerative diseases. By keeping the brain active and engaged, fasting can contribute to a healthier, more resilient mind. Furthermore, many individuals who fast during Ramadan report experiencing greater mental clarity, focus, and emotional regulation. These benefits can lead to a more balanced and fulfilling life. This enhanced mental state may be attributed to the spiritual aspect of Ramadan, which encourages self-reflection, mindfulness, and a deeper connection with one's inner self. The combination of physical fasting and spiritual practice creates a holistic approach to mental well-being. Section 6. Strengthening the body's defenses. Ramadan and immune system boost. Ramadan fasting can bolster the immune system, strengthening the body's natural defenses against infections and diseases. Studies have shown that fasting can promote the regeneration of immune cells, enhancing their ability to fight off pathogens. During fasting, the body undergoes a process called autophagy, where it breaks down and recycles damaged cells, including immune cells. This cellular cleansing process helps to remove old and dysfunctional immune cells, making way for new healthy cells to take their place. This revitalized immune system is better equipped to identify and destroy harmful pathogens, reducing the risk of infections. Additionally, fasting has been shown to reduce inflammation, a natural immune response that can become chronic and contribute to various health problems. Section 7. A time for purification. How Ramadan fasting detoxifies the body. Ramadan fasting can act as a natural detoxifier, aiding the body in eliminating harmful toxins accumulated over time. This ancient practice not only has spiritual benefits but also offers significant health advantages. During fasting, the body enters a state of ketosis where it begins to break down stored fat for energy. This metabolic state is crucial for detoxification. Toxins are often stored in fat cells, so as fat is broken down, these toxins are released into the bloodstream. This process helps in cleansing the body from within. The liver and kidneys, the body's primary detoxification organs, work to filter these toxins from the blood and eliminate them from the body. Their efficiency is enhanced during fasting. Furthermore, fasting can boost the production of antioxidants, which help protect cells from damage caused by free radicals, another type of harmful substance. This antioxidant boost is vital for overall health. By promoting both the release and elimination of toxins, Ramadan fasting contributes to a natural cleansing process that can leave the body feeling refreshed and revitalized. This holistic approach benefits both mind and body. This detoxification process can have wide-ranging benefits, from improved energy levels to clearer skin. Embracing this practice can lead to a healthier, more vibrant life. Let's address some common myths and misconceptions about Ramadan fasting. Many people worry that fasting will lead to muscle loss, energy depletion, and reduced performance in daily activities. However, scientific studies provide reassuring insights that counter these concerns. One prevalent myth is that fasting causes significant muscle loss. In reality, the body adapts to fasting by utilizing fat stores for energy while preserving muscle mass. The consumption of protein during suhoor and iftar can further support muscle maintenance. Another misconception is that fasting leads to severe energy depletion. While it's true that energy levels might fluctuate, the body becomes more efficient at using its energy reserves. Many people find that their energy levels stabilize after the initial adjustment period, allowing them to continue their daily activities with minimal disruption. Performance, whether in physical activities or cognitive tasks, is also often a concern. Research shows that fasting can enhance focus and cognitive function, thanks to the body's shift in energy utilization. Athletes who train during Ramadan often report maintaining or even improving their performance with proper nutrition and hydration strategies. By debunking these myths, we can better appreciate the holistic benefits of Ramadan fasting. It's a practice that not only aligns with spiritual growth but also supports physical and mental well-being. Section 8. Nourishing the body during Ramadan. The importance of suhoor and iftar. While fasting is a central aspect of Ramadan, it's equally important to nourish the body adequately during the non-fasting hours. Suhoor, the pre-dawn meal, and iftar, the meal at sunset, provide opportunities to replenish nutrients and sustain energy levels throughout the day. Suhoor should consist of foods that provide sustained energy release, such as complex carbohydrates, healthy fats, and protein. These foods are digested more slowly, helping to prevent blood sugar spikes and crashes throughout the day. Opt for options like whole grains, fruits, vegetables, nuts, and seeds. Iftar is a time to break the fast gently, starting with dates and water for quick energy and rehydration. Subsequently, focus on a balanced meal that includes lean protein, complex carbohydrates, and healthy fats. Avoid overeating and opt for grilled or baked dishes over fried foods to support digestion. Section 9. Embrace the holistic benefits of Ramadan. Ramadan fasting offers a multifaceted approach to health and well-being, encompassing physical, mental, and spiritual dimensions. From improving metabolic health and reducing the risk of chronic diseases to enhancing brain function and promoting detoxification, the benefits of this ancient practice are vast and far-reaching. As we've explored the scientific evidence and real-world examples, it's clear that Ramadan fasting is more than just abstaining from food and drink. It's a time for self-reflection, spiritual growth, and cultivating a deeper connection with oneself and one's community. Whether you observe Ramadan or are simply seeking to improve your health and well-being, incorporating the principles of mindful eating, intermittent fasting, and spiritual reflection can have a transformative impact on your life. Embrace the holistic benefits of Ramadan and embark on a journey towards a healthier, more balanced, and fulfilling life. Thank you for watching. Please share your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.